Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one is a Selenite Gray. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter turbo 6-cylinder pushing out 362 horsepower and 368 pounds of torque. This one does come with the illuminated star in the grille, illuminated running boards, 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB Tex interior, sunroof, third row seating, GLS 450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down third row seats, this one does come with a blind spot assist and a lane keep assist, Harman Kardon sound system, anthracite poplar wood trim, memory seats, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLS 450 has 33,497 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.